Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. So today I wanted to show you guys this automation software that will allow you to upload to several different print-on-demand websites at the same time and multiple images at the same time. So this is a total time saver for you guys who are just sort of like annoyed with the upload process and kind of want to take your print-on-demand businesses to the next level and are trying to figure out how you can take it to the next level, because I mean, we're only one person and you only have so many hours in the day, and you want to learn how to work smarter, not harder. So I've been doing a bunch of research into automation software, and I found this one, Flying Upload, which is really great for me because it includes pretty much all of the print-on-demand websites that I sell on. So I'm just gonna do a little demonstration today on how it works, and if you want to follow along, you can head over to flyingupload.com/store, and you can try their free version, so you get 30 uploads per month. And then if you find that that's not enough for you, you can upgrade to their pro version, and I have a promo code, actually Julie10. So I'll link that below and leave all the information about that. But if you want to follow along with this demonstration, you can just download the free version and then install it. And then basically the first page looks like this. And you're going to go into Edit. And then there's this load button here, which you can click on and then add your designs. And I've already loaded these up and added my title, description, tags. There's also this handy little keywords section here, so you could type in something here like sunset, and it'll actually pull these other keywords for you here. So if you're just stuck for keywords, it's a really great resource that's included in this uploader. So I fill in all this information, and I type off these men, women, and youth, and then the color doesn't really matter for this particular design, so I just leave it as black. So once I've uploaded all this information, we can go over to upload, and you can see here all these different websites you can upload to, and you can upload these 3 images or more than 3 images. I don't actually know if there is even like a total number that you can do at one time. I've done maybe 5 or 6 at a time. And then you can upload it to all of these like at the same time even. So yeah, you've got Amazon Merch, Redbubble, Society6, Zazzle. Yeah, so a lot of these are ones that I sell on, so it's really great for me, especially Society6. I haven't seen on very many. So I'm actually going to just demonstrate with that one because I've already uploaded it to Redbubble and some of my other shops. So I'm just going to demonstrate with that, but do keep in mind that you can upload to all of these or any of them at the same time. You can just hit start, go all the way down. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to set it up. Actually, first you got to go into options and settings, and then to auto login, and then you got to enter your login information for whichever ones you want to use. So before you can run it to upload to your store, you got to do that first. And then you can also do a template. So you could go to Redbubble, for example, and then if you want to copy the settings from one that you've already set up, then you can do that as well, which is really handy if you have a certain like setup for a pattern or something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll just demonstrate the upload process. So you got to check this agreement thing. And then I'm just going to hit start on Society6, but yeah, you could do more than one, and it's just going to go through uploading. So I'm just going to speed this up just so you can see how it looks, and yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it's finished uploading, and yeah, the software just did all of that for me. Now I will go back in and just double check all of those designs and maybe, enable or not enable certain products where it maybe doesn't look so good. But otherwise, that just saved me like a ton of time. I did speed it up, so I would say it took maybe about 5 minutes in total, where I just kind of went and checked my phone while I was doing all that. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful for you. And if you want to give this flying upload a try, make sure you try out their free version. And yeah, I'll leave all the links below if you want to purchase it and use my promo code. And yeah, let me know if you had any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.